here, we are back again with another interesting video. Turkish TV series reaches viewers in 75 countries around the world and is one of the fastest growing sectors in Turkey's exports. We believe that Turkish dramas earn fame in these countries just because of their good quality, impressive storylines, attractive locations and themes. So here in this video, we are going to talk about the top 15 best Turkish drama series that are worth being watching. Number 15. Tears of Jannat. Jannat was abandoned by her mother as a newborn and her grandmother took care of her. Despite her humble upbringing and lack of financial resources, she becomes a brilliant architect and achieves her dream job at a prestigious architecture firm. Jannat is unexpectedly reunited with Salim, her childhood friend, and her biological mother, who disappeared from her life and has now come to disrupt her world. A lot of drama and surprises as the story unfolds. Number 14. You Are Mine. Ejdar and Name's families, who have met each other in a traffic accident and fall in love with each other unaware of the marriage decision, is not accepted by both families. From the moment she stepped into the Avengers farm, Name realizes that there is a sad story behind every door. Name's belief in this marriage is shaken after learning that these four walls hide a very important secret about Ejdar, but she will not give up this love. Number 13. Heart of the City. In this story, you'll explore a pure love between a man with no country and a woman from a rich family. Darren and Ali are two people from different worlds. Darren is the daughter of a rich man. On the other side, Ali is a 28-year-old boy who saw his mom being killed by his dad when he was young. So Rauf Feni took him as his son, and now after many years, he is back to Istanbul, where he will meet Darren and they start to figure out the truth about the night Ali, his father, killed his mom. Number 12. It's Complicated. In It's Complicated TV series story, you'll explore the life of Ayşegül and Can, who pretended to be a married couple but in fact do not get along with each other very well. Ayşegül is a young girl who lives in a house with her pet cat Minak. Ayşegül aspires to be a writer. Her friends trick her into going for a vacation where she meets the famous actor Can Tekin and accidentally vomits on him. She tries her best to apologize, but Can is way too angry at her. Number 11. Gulpari. Gulpari TV series story is about a middle-aged mother who does her best to reunite with her children and tries to survive in the conservative world dominated by men. Gulpari, a woman who faces oppression from various patriarchs in her life and struggles to find a more positive path. Gulpari attempts to find lightness in her life by rekindling her relationship with Kadir, who is now a lawyer and looks to aid her battle against her in-laws. Number 10. The Eighth Day. In The Eighth Day TV series story, you'll watch how perfect life of Bahar changes dramatically when her mother disappears mysteriously. Bahar is a beautiful young woman who has everything in this life: a lovely husband, Ahmed, and a wealthy life. She lives happily with her husband and is expecting her first baby. Bahar's perfect life turns upside down in one day. Her mother, Shehnaz, who works as a software engineer in a prestigious company, is announced to die in an airplane crash. Number 9. Woman. In Woman TV series story, you'll watch the life of Bahar, who is a single mother and gives her all in trying to provide for her beloved children. After the accidental death of her husband Sarp 4 years ago, she becomes all alone with her two children, Nisan and Duruk. She tries to do her best to provide for her children but finds it so hard to give her children decent living conditions. Number 8. Rich and Poor. A series about how arrogant and ambitious those who get everything they want become, and how ambitious and evil those who cannot achieve the desired become. In Istanbul, there are two different houses and two different worlds in one area. The Bringila family is struggling with poverty and their relatives are rich and looking down. Number 7. My Daughter. My Daughter TV series is a father and daughter story. The series shows us what a father can do for his daughter and the things that he leaves behind. The story is an 8-year-old girl who, unlike her peers, has a very clear perception and a strong sense of empathy, and a very intelligent girl. Oiko is an exceptional girl who, unlike her peers, is very empathetic and perceptive of the world around her. When her aunt, who has been her caregiver since birth, abandons her, Oiko will have to find her father, the mayor. Number 6. Mountain of Heart. The Heart Mountain series tells the story of three cousins who are trying to achieve the impossible, despite all obstacles by pursuing their dreams in the steppe, battling with limited resources. A wonderful invention made by Tanner, who dreams of one day reuniting with his childhood love Dilek, and his two cousins, paved the way for an unforgettable turn of events. Burke Altan and Gulsum Ali take the lead roles in this series. Number 5. The Innocents. The Innocents TV series story is about Incy and her relationship with Han, who deals with two cleaning freak sisters. Incy is a young girl who lives together with her brother and grandfather. After her mother left them years ago, Incy suffers from realized problem and she tries her best not to leave anyone alone. For this reason, Incy even cannot break up with her alcoholic boyfriend Ikar. Han, on the other hand, is a handsome and successful businessman who lives together with his father Hikmat and his three sisters. Number 4. Equal Share. In Equal Share TV series story, you'll explore the absurdist comedy revolving around Mateen, Ali and Feza. Two brothers Mateen and Ali are plumbers with no scientific education. Ali is a widower but still goes around his ex-wife. Mateen is in love with the pharmaceutics at the neighborhood but cannot gain her heart no matter what he does. Their sister Feza works at the gas station and secretly loves a gas pumper. Number 3. Heartbeat. In Heartbeat TV series story, you'll explore the story of a young girl who has nothing but anger and challenges the life by becoming a successful girl who has changed many schools. Her life changes completely after she is expelled from the last school due to a fight. On that day, Ailul's father kicks her out of the house and leaves her to her grandmother who lives in a small town. Ailul finds compassion from her grandmother and starts to living happily in a small town. She completely changes after meeting her school teacher Ellie. Ellie, in fact, is a successful doctor in Istanbul, and it is unknown why he is also a teacher in this small town. Number 2. Game of Silence. In Game of Silence TV series story, you'll watch a revenge of 5 men while exploring mystery, twisting events, love, friendship and hatred at the same time. 4 young boys living in Istanbul, they made a mistake by stealing a car and hitting an elderly man. They swore to each other that they would never tell what happened to anyone else. Ijawet, Bilal, Ibrahim and Zeki are tried and sentenced in the court in their absence. Number 1. For My Son. In For My Son TV series story, we'll explore the love story of 2 young people who are destined to each other but are also connected to mafia relations. Porras is a defamed ex-cop who is struggling to get back his son. Is put on undercover duty within the biggest mafia in Istanbul. In the meantime, he meets a girl named Ayşegül. Ayşegül and Porras like each other since the moment that they saw each other for the first time. However, love seems impossible for these hurt, tired and lonely people. That's it for this video. Hope to see you back soon for more. Thank you so much for watching.